Did you know Lay's chips are one of the most popular snacks worldwide with billions of bags sold each year? From casual picnics to cozy movie nights, these golden crispy chips are everywhere. But have you ever thought about what it takes to create that perfect crunch? Join us as we go behind the scenes from the potato fields to the final satisfying bite and find out if they're truly worth the munch. Before we explore the modern production process, let's take a quick journey through time to see how Lay's became a household name. Founded in 1932 by Herman Lay in Nashville, Tennessee, the brand started as a small business selling potato chips from the trunk of his car. With a vision for quality and a determination to succeed, Lay quickly attracted customers, which allowed him to expand his operations beyond the trunk of his car. The small operation laid the foundation for what would become a snack empire. As the demand for Lay's chips grew, so did the challenges. Lay faced stiff competition from established brands, but his commitment to quality set him apart. He was one of the first in the industry to focus on customer feedback, actively seeking out opinions and suggestions to improve his product. This responsiveness to consumer preferences helped Lay build a loyal customer base, which was instrumental in his early success. In 1961, merger of Lay's with Frito to form the Frito-Lay Company marked a pivotal moment in the snack industry. This merger not only boosted distribution, but also led to innovative snack combinations that would change the landscape of snack foods forever. With their combined resources and expertise, Frito-Lay was able to innovate flavors and expand product lines in ways that captivated consumers. This was also a strategic move, allowing the brand to leverage the strengths of both companies and reach a broader audience. Throughout the decades, Lay's continued to evolve. They introduced a variety of flavors such as classic barbecue and sour cream and onion, which have become iconic in their own right and are often the go-to choices for snack lovers everywhere. The flavor offerings have expanded over the years, reflecting changing consumer tastes and preferences. For instance, limited-time offerings like Lay's Do Us a Flavor campaign allowed fans to submit and vote on new flavors, leading to exciting and often quirky combinations. Lay's has not only kept pace with consumer trends, but has also played a role in shaping them. The introduction of healthier options like baked and reduced-fat varieties was a direct response to a growing awareness of nutrition and wellness among consumers. By adapting to these changing dynamics, Lay's has ensured its relevance in the snack market. Today, Lay's chips are enjoyed in over 200 countries, making them the leading brand in the snack food market. With an impressive range of flavors and an unwavering commitment to quality, Lay's has solidified its position in snack history. The brand's innovative spirit and willingness to experiment have kept it at the forefront of the industry, making it a staple in snack aisles everywhere. So now that we have a little history in our pockets, let's see what really goes into those irresistible chips. Let's start with the star of the show, the potato. You might imagine potatoes growing in lush fields, and you'd be right. Lay's sources its potatoes from local farms primarily in the United States. These farms are carefully selected based on a variety of factors, including climate, soil quality, and farmer partnerships to ensure the highest quality potatoes for their chips. The majority of the potatoes used for Lay's chips are specific varieties known for their high starch content. Varieties like the Russet Burbank are favored for their excellent frying characteristics and ability to yield that perfect crunch we all love. These potatoes have a naturally high sugar content, which caramelizes beautifully during the frying process, contributing to the chip's appealing golden color and rich flavor. Farmers harvest these potatoes at the optimal maturity stage to ensure they have the right texture and flavor. The careful timing of the harvest is crucial as it directly impacts the taste and quality of the finished product. Once harvested, the potatoes undergo a meticulous sorting process where any substandard potatoes are removed, ensuring that only the best quality tumors make their way to the factory. After sorting, the potatoes are transported to processing facilities in temperature-controlled trucks, marking the beginning of their journey from field to bag. This meticulous transportation process is designed to prevent any damage to the potatoes, preserving their quality until they reach the factory. Sustainability is also a focus for Lay's as they work closely with farmers to promote sustainable agricultural practices. This includes crop rotation, responsible water management, and integrated pest management to reduce the need for chemicals. By partnering with farmers who share their values, Lay's can guarantee a consistent supply of high-quality potatoes while supporting local agriculture. Additionally, Lay's participates in initiatives that aim to minimize food waste and promote environmentally friendly practices throughout their supply chain. Once the potatoes arrive at the factory, it's time for the transformation. The first step involves washing and peeling the potatoes to remove dirt and blemishes. This process is not just about cleanliness. It's a critical quality control measure that ensures only the finest quality slices make it to the frying stage. By removing any imperfections, Lay's guarantees that each chip will be a source of joy and satisfaction. Next, the potatoes are sliced into thin rounds using specialized machines designed to create uniform chip shape. These machines are equipped with advanced technology that ensures each slice is precisely the same thickness, resulting in perfectly crispy chips every time. This attention to detail during the slicing process is a testament to Lay's commitment to quality, as inconsistencies in size can lead to uneven cooking and texture. Once sliced, the potato rounds undergo a quick blanching process where they are briefly cooked in hot water. This step helps remove excess starch, which can lead to a gummy texture if not managed properly, and preserves the bright color of the chips. Blanching is an important step in achieving the desired chip texture, as it helps create a light, crisp mouthfeel that is characteristic of Lay's chips. After blanching, the potato slices are dried to reduce moisture content, ensuring they fry up crispy. Excess moisture can lead to soggy chips, so this step is vital. The chips are then gently passed through a drying chamber where warm air circulates around them to extract moisture without compromising their structural integrity. Once dried, the chips are ready for frying. They are plunged into hot oil at precisely controlled temperatures, where they are cooked until they turn that beautiful golden brown. This frying process is carefully monitored. The temperature and timing are critical to achieving the perfect texture and flavor. It takes mere minutes for the chips to go from raw potato slices to the delicious snack we crave. After frying, the chips are drained of excess oil before moving on to the seasoning stage, where they are coated with a proprietary blend of salts and flavors. This stage is where the transformation into Lay's chips truly comes to life. Speaking of flavor, here's where the real magic happens. Lay's is known for its wide array of flavors, and the seasoning process is crucial to delivering that iconic taste. The chips are tumbled in large mixers, where they receive a precise amount of seasoning, ensuring that every chip is equally coated. This meticulous approach guarantees that whether you're munching on classic salt or the zesty flavors of cheddar and sour cream, each chip bursts with flavor. The flavor development team at Lay's includes food scientists and culinary experts who experiment with new flavor profiles, carefully balancing different ingredients to create distinct tastes. Each flavor is crafted to perfection, with an emphasis on creating a balance that ensures maximum taste without overshadowing the signature crunch of the chip itself. They often conduct consumer taste tests, gathering feedback to refine their recipes and improve the flavor experience before a new flavor hits the market. In the quest for flavor innovation, Lay's often draws inspiration from global cuisines, resulting in limited edition flavors that reflect regional tastes and preferences. The Do Us a Flavor campaign, which invited consumers to submit and vote on new flavor ideas, exemplifies Lay's commitment to engaging its audience in the flavor creation process. This led to exciting and often quirky combinations, such as chicken and waffles and bacon mac and cheese, further diversifying the brand's flavor offerings. Moreover, the culinary experts at Lay's continuously seek feedback and make adjustments to enhance the overall taste experience. This commitment to innovation has allowed Lay's to stay ahead of trends and maintain its status as a beloved snack brand. At Lay's, quality control is paramount. After the seasoning process, the chips undergo rigorous inspections to ensure that only the best make it into the bags. Automated systems check for size, shape, and color, while trained quality control personnel sample chips for taste and texture. This dual approach to quality assurance ensures that every aspect of the chip meets Lay's high standards. The automated systems are designed to detect any inconsistencies that may have slipped through the initial stages of production. If a batch of chips does not meet the established criteria, it is immediately flagged for further inspection or reprocessing. This dedication to quality control not only ensures customer satisfaction, but also reinforces Lay's commitment to providing a consistently delicious product. In addition to the automated checks, quality control personnel play a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the product. They conduct regular taste tests, assessing chips for crunchiness, flavor intensity, and overall enjoyment. Feedback from these tests is invaluable, informing any necessary adjustments to the production process and seasoning formulations. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees that every bag of Lay's you open meets their high standards, providing you with a consistently satisfying snacking experience. Lay's also employs a team of food safety experts who monitor compliance with industry regulations and safety standards throughout the production process. Their role is crucial in maintaining consumer trust, ensuring that every bag of chips is not only delicious, but also safe to eat. Once the chips pass inspection, they're ready for packaging. The chips are gently filled into bags using automated machinery that minimizes breakage, preserving that perfect crunch. The packaging process is designed to protect the chips from environmental factors that could compromise their quality, such as light and moisture. Each bag is sealed tightly to lock in freshness and flavor, ensuring that when you open a bag of Lay's, it's just as crispy as when it left the factory. The sealing process involves sophisticated technology that guarantees an airtight seal, preventing any air from entering the bag. In addition to preserving freshness, Lay's places great emphasis on packaging design. The vibrant colors and bold branding on each bag are carefully crafted to stand out on store shelves, attracting consumers and inviting them to indulge in a snack that they know and love. The design process is not merely aesthetic. It reflects the brand's identity and values, communicating its commitment to quality and deliciousness. Furthermore, Lay's is increasingly focusing on sustainability in its packaging practices. They are exploring eco-friendly materials and designs that reduce waste and environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are more conscious of their purchasing decisions, making Lay's a forward-thinking brand in the snack industry. Lay's is actively working towards using recyclable materials and reducing plastic usage in their packaging, showcasing their dedication to environmental responsibility. So the next time you reach for a bag of Lay's chips, remember that there's a whole process behind that simple snack. From carefully sourced potatoes and precise factory processes to expertly crafted flavors and stringent quality control, every chip is designed to deliver that satisfying crunch you love. Each step in the process reflects Lay's commitment to quality and innovation, ensuring that every bite is a delightful experience. Now that you know what goes into making Lay's chips, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite Lay's flavor? Are you Team Classic or do you prefer something more adventurous? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.